Hey folks, this is Alex, the eBay guy here at Beckleys Camping Center in Thurmont, Maryland, and we're looking at the Pleasureway Excel TD on a Ford chassis. This coach looks almost like it did when it came out of the showroom. Very clean, obviously garage kept, like brand new tires on it. Plenty of tread. This is ready to take on the road today. We've got the full length awning on the left side. Inside you'll see that enclosure up there is for a Cool Cat heat pump, air conditioning, and furnace. These on the Ford chassis have a lot of advantages, especially cabin room, over the ones that have the Chevy chassis. I'm going to go down here and take a look underneath. The door panels, windows are tinted. Everything is just in fantastic shape. This is the ultra soft leather on these seats. Very comfortable to drive. Plenty of foot room on the Fords. Also with the squared off nose in the corner, I'll hold it over like this so you can see, and we'll see again inside. It's easy to tell where the corners of the vehicle are as opposed to that drop nose front. Going to make a little bit longer video of this than I normally make, just so I can make sure to show you everything that comes with it here. Give you a quick overview of the rear. Nice light colored wood so it looks open and airy inside. Tons of storage. Little shelves everywhere. Here, you got the view windows up here. They did install a convection microwave. You'll see the other part for that was up here in the storage case. You got this nice big closet here with the table that mounts there on the floor. The bathroom in these, some of the nicest bathrooms in a B. I think. I'm 6'5". I just don't find that some of them have the width that you need. But look at the width in this one. Plenty of room. Plenty of headroom. Nice, bright, not faded plastic. And you get that nice, luxurious cabinet instead of just a waterproof cabinet that's up here. Obviously, we've got an electrical connection there. It's ground fault protected. And you have the shower curtain that closes all that off. So if you do use the shower, which in a B, a lot of people don't use the shower, but it's nice to know that it's there. It keeps all that protected. Got a 2-burner stove and a nice big sink. Only 58 hours on the generator. And that generator does start and run. It's a propane powered generator. Again, in the back, we still have that super soft leather. Storage all underneath here. All your electrical panel and connections are right there. And yet, when you're sitting back here, it looks nice and roomy because of those windows. That's the Cool Cat right there. Let's sit down here for a second, and you'll see that if you back in to where you are, you can see all around you like that. Now you also do have the furnace down here so that you can run off propane, keep this heated. The Cool Cat, of course, runs off of 110, so you can run it off the generator or shore power. But the furnace is a lot more efficient on the battery if you if you're using it. The refrigerator is a Dometic 3-way refrigerator. It's nice and bright. No fading, no foul smells or odors or anything in there. Just a nice little Class B with low mileage, and this is going to make a great road trip vehicle for you. If you have any questions, call Alex, the eBay guy, 240-405-7790. That's 240-405-7790.